Alright, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be teaching you guys how to use Canva's magic eraser according to the title. So here's a label from my small business that I'm looking to revamp and resize and doing everything like that. So what I need to do is take off all the text and things like that from the image, but I want to keep the background. I love the marble background, so I don't want to change anything about my labels. I just want to take off the background and revamp it to whatever I need to do. So here is how I do it. I do start with the clicking on the magic eraser, and as you can see, it grabs the text, sort of kind of like an Adobe, and I just click it to erase it. It's very simple, very easy, but you do have to have Canva Pro to do this. So that way. So as you can see, as it lit up the background, which is what I'm trying to keep, I switched to my brush because I don't want to erase anything on my background. I want my background to stay exactly how it is. So I just take the brush and I go over the wordings that I would like to erase from my background, and I just lightly go over it with my brush, and I take everything off of it, and then I one click my 2 fluid ounce from the label, and then I hit erase, and then we let it load, and booyah. That's how you use the Canvas Magic Eraser. And if you guys are following me on my journey of starting a small business and you want to see how my labels are turning out, feel free to tune into my YouTube channel and things like that. As you can see, my mock-ups and things. Bye guys.